Hi, this is my second assignment of International Human Resource Management and topic is Strategies for International Staffing. Question 1 is Challenges of Planning and Forecasting a Global Workforce. International workforce planning, staffing and forecasting indicate that valuing employment, recruitment, hiring, selecting and using superior talent in organization from various different countries. Ability to learn, performance and innovate are factors which affect to the organization quality to talent. Achieving an accurate talent at the right time to the right place and at the right price is a major concern for every organization. Therefore, planning and forecasting a global workforce is a difficult and complex process. Furthermore, it consists with all foreign operations as well as high responsibilities when relocating workforce from country to another. So, what are the challenges of planning and forecasting a global workforce? Data availability, labor mobility, increasing diversity of labor force and workforce, forecasting macro environment situations, high cost for planning, rapidly changed labor laws and regulations, high competition among international situations, as well as brain drain and job exporting population characteristics are some factors of challenges. Let's consider main factors, main challenges. Data availability. One of major challenge when global workforce planning is lack of accurate data availability. Political influence, developing economic situations, poor technology may force to accurate data availability. For proper international workforce planning and forecasting process, to MNE need data such as unemployment rate, technology level, quality of education, literacy level, language skill, active job seeker rate, availability of skill, employment laws and regulations, and implementations, uh, etc. Most of the time, MNE professionals may gather required data from third parties, such as international labor organizations, embassies, local chamber of commerce, as well as recruitment agencies. After collecting data, HR professionals must improve independent data sources, but these data can be inaccurate as well as mislead or politically motivated. Therefore, it will directly affect to the planning and forecasting process and finally to long-term decisions. Next factor is population characteristics. Different population characteristic is defined as one of a main challenge of planning and forecasting a global workforce. In here, mainly consider age structure as population characteristics. Children's, the working age population, and the elder populations. Countries belong age structure play a remarkable role when playing and forecasting a global workforce. It indicates the economic and social stability and progress of the country. If there is large portion of dependent, if it may show negative impact for labor supplies and productivity. In other hand, mainly can see demographic transitions from the most countries across the world. Therefore, can see transition from young to increasingly aging populations. In developed countries such as Australia, Japan, UK, Germany, can see high labor shortage due to high retiring than entering to the labor force to replace the position. In other hand, in developing countries such as Mexico, India, South Africa, can see high unemployment rate with lack of skills which required MNEs, as well as gender participants also vary from accurate from country to country and affect to the labor pool. Next factor is brain drain and job exporting. Brain drain mean highly skilled and talented person immigration to the developed countries due to high salaries and opportunities. Due to the brain drain, there is lack of skilled person retained in developing countries. It may show negative impact for labor productivity. Currently, developing countries encourage job exporting from developed countries to developing countries rather than brain drain. Therefore, developing countries can get income from MNEs and firms can get talent talented persons. Therefore, when planning global workforce, hiring right person to the right job, getting competitive advantage from global market, and attracting high performer talented persons who support to the sustainable are challenge. It is a complex activity for global operations. Furthermore, workforce planning is key to success MNEs. Second question is what is the involved in selecting an associate for foreign assignment and identified characteristic for the ensure success. Selecting a suitable associate for foreign assignment is most important factor including attracting an accurate talent at the right time to the right place and at the right price is a major concern for every organization. This selection decision may determine organization's future success or failure in their foreign assignments. Therefore, jobs suitability or technical ability, maturity, foreign language fluency, profession of the favorable outlook, desire for international assignments, cultural adaptability, and personality characteristics are some factors which involve when selecting an association for international tasks. Job suitability or technical ability. Job suitability or technical ability mean candidates who consist with best skills and technical experts for given job. Furthermore, ability to accomplish the target job requirement. The parent company should select suitable person who should ability to fill the technical and functional operations in the foreign operations. Factor is cultural adaptability. Expatriates should accept and adapt to the new environment and related cultures while successfully delivering their managerial and technical expatriates. Uh, but it but in cultural adaptability may be difficult due to many factors such as family background, family members' inability, attitude, and social influences. India's most important cultural adaptability factor is cross-cultural adjustments. Should accept norms, values, and behavior in a new culture. Therefore, it is a combination of work adjustments, host country national interactions adjustment, as well as general environment adjustments. Next factor is desire for foreign assignments. Expatriates have family responsibilities. His or her willingness, goals, and objectives. Therefore, all these factors should favorable to foreign assignments. Otherwise, expatriates may fail to complete assigned tasks efficiently and effectively. Therefore, this need to consider in the early stage of review. Another challenge is maturity of the candidate. Expatriates should be self-motivated and independent decision maker as well as need emotional stability, respect to the others and should be knowledgeable person who can handle foreign colleagues. Ability to handle foreign language is also a very important one and personality characteristics. Personality characteristics also involved in selecting an associate for foreign assignment. Favorable personality characteristics help to learn regarding new culture, collect cultural informations, meet and make relationships among host nationals, and to successfully deal with stress associated with the new environment. There are major five personal traits such as extroversions, agreeableness, emotional stability, or openness to experiences. So, for ensure success for an assignment, need to consider personal characteristics. Some of them are following according to the major five personal characteristics. Ones are high energy, social friendly, active team player, as well as we should consider social cooperativeness, open-minded, self-disciplined, hardworking, organized, dedication to achieve goal, loyal to the organization, creativity and innovation, decision-making ability, self-confidence, calm, accurate, perceive and interpreting ability, the new culture. Third question is most significant challenges for IHRM and what are the recommendations? IHRM indicate that combination of activities which focus to managing organizational human resource at global level to achieve a competitive advantage within nationally and internationally. MN is struggling to select right person with their family for foreign assignment, desiring his or her will be adapting to another country and get the job done. Success or failure for international assigns can be a dropout, turnover upon repatriation, or finishing the task but without cultural adaptation. This failure may occur due to several reasons. Some of them are personal dissatisfactions, poor quality of performance in foreign assignments, low effectiveness and efficiency, lack of adaptation, poor acceptance by local nationals, poor recognition, poor mutual understanding in overseas relationships, poor technical capability, and high responsibilities. So, what are the most significant challenges for IHRM? In here, I identified language barriers, family, spouses, and partner responsibilities and influences, career developments, localization, lifestyle, women expatriates, political instability, immigration laws, government rules and regulations, and career developments. Uh, let's consider regarding language barriers. One of major challenge for IHRM is language barriers. Ability to speak and understand local language may add positive contribution to international science success. Language is significant tool which can use to reduce cultural differences. It may help to increase understanding and ideas expression among persons. English is international language for business, but most of the time English language is used by top management in large MNEs. But for smooth working process for international science to get working knowledge and express ideas with local management and subsidiaries, local customers and as well as suppliers need to know main local languages of the country, such as in Australia we use English as the main language. But if we want to go to the developing country like India or Sri Lanka, we need their local languages. As mentioned above, to deal with suppliers, shareholders, customers, government, we need local languages. So recommendations are, for assigning an associate for a foreign country, need to provide proper knowledge regarding host country language to his or her, as well as need to organize language training program focusing family, spouses, partners, and kids who are willing to move to another country. MNEs can organize language training programs, sensitivity training program, and should provide uh, tra- language training and variety of ways and cross-cultural training. Need to provide patience and understanding. Family, spouses, and partners. Another major factor is this one. Not only the business situation, but also need to give attention to personal and cultural matters when involved with IHRM. As an example, according to the organization resource counselors, dual career couple overseas assessment is included in top 5 challenges in this. Individuals have to deal with health problems and marital conflicts, mental health, as well as not only that, drug addicting family members can have pro, consider medical problems like AIDS, because these are problems when getting overseas work visas. There are challenges for IHRM when selecting expatriates and giving approval to adapting to foreign culture, whether it related to individual or family. Uh, so these are some recommendations for that. Organize life planning and counseling and career development programs, relocation support to spouse for settle in and to engage network quality, helping program for spouse to find employment as well as job search assistance, providing work permit and visa permits assistance, arranging and paying for children education and child care, as well as providing better non-cash benefits and bonuses, organizing, relaxing, and stress reducing programs. So these are my references and Thank you very much.